The bank will approve you for more than you should spend. Here's how to find your real number. The bank is going to tell you that you qualify for $350,000. That doesn't mean you should buy a $350,000 home. Today we're figuring out your real number, the number that lets you own a home and still live your life. Being house poor is real, and it happens when buyers stretch to the top of their approval without thinking through the full picture. Let me show you how to find a payment that actually works for your life. There are two key ratios lenders use. Let me explain them simply. The first is your front-end ratio, also called your housing ratio. This is your total housing payment divided by your gross monthly income. Most lenders want this to be 28% or less. So if you make $5,000 a month gross, your target housing payment is around $1,400. The second is your back-end ratio, or your total debt-to-income ratio, also called DTI. This is all your monthly debt payments, credit cards, car loans, student loans, and your housing payment divided by gross income. Most loans allow a DTI up to 43% to 50% depending on the program. Here's how to find your comfort number. Step 1. Write down your take-home pay after taxes. Step 2. List all your monthly debts. Step 3. See what's left. A good rule of thumb, your total housing payment shouldn't exceed 30% of your take-home pay. Then add in what the bank doesn't: utilities, groceries, insurance, car maintenance, your fund money. A home is a life, not just a mortgage payment. In San Antonio right now, the sweet spot for first-time buyers is typically homes in the $180,000 to $280,000 range depending on income. And with down payment assistance, many buyers are getting in for very little out of pocket. One of the great things about buying in San Antonio is that your dollar goes further here than almost any other major city in Texas. The same income that gets you a one-bedroom apartment in Austin can get you a three-bedroom home with a yard in San Antonio. That's not a small thing, that's generational. I've created a buyer's guide at firsthometexas.com. It walks you through all of this step by step so you can find your real number before you ever talk to a lender. Link is in the description. I'm Frank. See you in the next video.